Today, Bihar Central School is going to organize science exhibition. We have also maintained distance. Volunteers should take care of maintain distance. Volunteers should send students forward. Volunteer will help the students to move forward. Volunteers send students forward after one by one stall. Volunteers send them studying their models. Students will represent their models. Volunteers will send forward the students who are watching models. We have also maintained distance. Volunteers will send them forward. Students who are watching near the stall. Don't be too late. Forward. Don't be given. Also maintain distance.
चलते रहेंगे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होते हैं एंड मॉडल्स इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू adapt this model ball on our exhibition butter and use as barrier
Today Bihar Central School is going to organize science exhibition. Students from 6th class to 10th class are going to take part in this exhibition. They are going to represent with their models. Their models.
Yes, sir. सर ये हमसे जो आ रहा है ना यहाँ पे बबल्स क्रिएट हो रहा है और ये फॉर्म हो रहा है इसलिए ये फायर
And I would also request to the representatives, they will wear their mask properly. Those are standing. Volunteers also send a student. Don't be gather.
In this model, we are going to see how the dance works.
Send them forward.
Water dance are used as various
Don't be so. Shivam. Shivam.
large amount of CO2 gas released in environment.
On another stall also.
To protect our environment, I made a
Shivam. Send them that side. That side also. That side. That side also. Send them to that side. Our parents in our science exhibition. Guardian also. Distance is also necessary.
Yes, good. Excellent.
And also take distance whenever you are standing near your stall, especially representative. Take distance. Stand with proper distance. Kusi Verma, stand those who are standing near the tree. Stand at that side. Stand. Your nose should be covered.
Indoor and also outdoor.
Good. Excellent.
Volunteers will move to see wherever gathering stand and forward. Going to represent also follow the protocol for new variants. Maintain distance. And also we have mask properly. Especially
सबको रिक्वेस्ट लाइव देख रहे हैं ना, सबको बोलिए कि आ जाइए, देख लीजिए आप लोग भी मॉडल।
My aim is to describe the concept in the easy way.
सबको रिक्वेस्ट है कि लाइव आके देख लीजिए, लाइव आके। चश्मा निकालने से आई हैव टू गो,
Good morning, guys.
आई हैव नो
Yes. Basta. Yes.
Thank you.
Down. Ah, yes.
You will see the small particles of heat inside it. Some people regard it that this is absolutely like because some
Parents and guardians in our division.
many people
Good.
And especially our fathers are going to get how to decrease the level of pollution in each and every place.
In countries or in cities and many countries, accidents will happen. For that, we had made this model. In this, if any cars will come from that side, it announces that you will active that any car is coming. And same condition, if that side any car will come, then this side will announce. Yes, announce alert. And from that, from this, any person or vehicles will go, then it energy form, then it will be on. That and from that side, any cars or vehicles will come, it will be energy from that. Any cars will come from that side, and yes, sir. No any accident will happen.
Good. All the best. Excellent.
Move ahead. Sunny, move ahead.
Explain about it.
When we start the controller, sir, pump will stack the water from the ground level. So then the water is shifted to the tank. So then we provide water for plants for irrigation, sir. So this process is called good morning and welcome to release and mix oxygen. How COVID-19 attacks the brain. When COVID-19 attacks the brain, the blood flow is very low. During the COVID-19 school, there are the closes and many students get many types of problems due to the online classes. There is hospitals. In hospitals, many doctors, all doctors are useful in the corona patient, and there are three is very useful for environment, and they give the oxygen to them. In COVID-19, during the COVID-19, oxygen is very useful. And here, don't throw the mask in the room. When you throw the mask in the room, the animals eat the mask and it also get the COVID-19. Thank you, sir.
Good. Best.
From the heat of solar panel. Good morning, sir. Solar panel is charged. My name is class, and they'll be making a nature destroy. These all are nature destroy things like there is a land pollution, water pollution, deforestation, and air pollution. Radiation produces very little amount, but nowadays radiation produces a very big amount. Due to radiation, birds cannot survive easily. In early times, birds can survive easily. Nowadays, birds cannot survive easily. For reduced radiation, we have to use less food. And there is the deforestation and air pollution. Air pollution produces the road, houses and factories. Yes, the land pollution.
अच्छा, volcano. Good. Explain.
Black on the earth, come out hot gases and water rocks. Its lava melts
one.
Good. Yeah.
Guarantee of friend of friend forward. Don't forget that.
Explain about it.
I have to go some in
life
Maintain distance. Volunteers will also pay attention on this.
each kidney feed
Kushi Verma, Arya Anand, send the students from that side in moving way. Maintain distance also.
Collect all the plastic material in dustbin. And the help of section members, we are collecting plastic in truck and then
From corner side
What is
also.
it?
this is a volcano.
Welcome. Good. Explain.
ये सीखना पड़ेगा
यार सेंट्रल स्कूल सब अपलोड करता है
Volunteer send the students forward.
save electricity. Here is a solar panel which trap the energy from the sun. And in
Kushi Verma, send the students forward. Representative, they have
Yes, yes.
And in my teens, and I met a water cycle.
send them forward.
Here, water is evaporated to the sun. It met a cloud in heavy rain of water. The water goes to the river, sea, pond, etc. and all other water bodies. Then again,
Representative, wear your mask properly. Your nose should be covered. Your nose should be covered. Those are standing with their models. Wear your mask properly.
Good. All the best.
from class 6, I am in this model same electricity. This electricity is not closes and the street light is very wastage of electricity. This model automatically close in day, it's not going light at night.